Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can easily find your player tag in Hay Day. To find your player tag in Hay Day is super simple. First of all, launch open Hay Day on your device, and then once you're inside your farm, go ahead and click on the human icon at the bottom right corner and click on the book icon. Now you'll be able to see your player tag. Simply tap on it to copy the tag on your device's clipboard. Your player tag starts with a hashtag followed by letters and numbers. Tap the tag in order to copy it, or you can also write it down in a piece of paper. Once you have your tag, you can share it with your friends. It is commonly used for adding friends, joining neighborhoods, contacting Supercell supports, etc. So that is how you can easily find your player tag in Hay Day. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.